Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, stood against the tyranny of Yazid ibn Muawiyah. His aim was to uphold the true values of Islam. Firstly, Imam Hussain sought to reform the corrupt society under Yazid's rule. Yazid's leadership was marked by injustice, moral decay, and oppression. Hussein's stand was to revive justice and righteousness. Secondly, he aimed to restore the authentic teachings of Islam. The teachings of his grandfather were being distorted, and the moral fabric of the community was disintegrating. Imam Hussain believed in the importance of leading by example. His movement emphasized sacrifice, resilience, and unwavering faith, teaching future generations the true spirit of Islam. The tragedy of Karbala was a pivotal moment in Islamic history. Imam Hussein's sacrifice was for the greater good, to awaken the Muslim Ummah and remind them of their core values. Imam Hussein's movement was a beacon of hope and a call for justice, inspiring millions to stand against oppression.